Hot chocolate bombs are all the rage. They're really popular with kids and families. They're fun because the marshmallows explode out of a chocolate shell in a mug of warm milk, and it's just so satisfying to have food that is fun and tasty. And I've taken this to the next level because I love flavor and I also love health. I like feeling vital. And so I decided to come up with my own version of a hot chocolate bomb that is mixed with golden milk. If you haven't heard of golden milk, it's an Ayurvedic, which is the medicine from India, an Ayurvedic drink that has turmeric, sometimes ginger, and a little black pepper, and a little honey, a little sweetener, and a little bit of oil. And this is an herbal tonic that is great for reducing pain, reducing inflammation. So I decided to experiment. And when I was looking into different herbal recipes to put inside of a chocolate shell, I came up with actually quite a variety. And this one is just very simple. It is a mixture of turmeric paste with cardamon and ginger and honey. It's a little bit soft, a little liquidy, but we are going to try it out. And I have made some chocolate shells in a silicone mold. Start by finely chopping a semi-sweet dark chocolate baking bar into even slivers. Gently heat 75% of the slivers in a microwave or double boiler, stirring well until almost melted, and then temper it by folding in the rest of the chocolate pieces, stirring until smooth. This tempering process is an important step, so whether you have a silicone mold or make your own, for the best results, watch my hot chocolate bombs with or without a mold video. Check out the link above. Just warm the rim. Oops, whoa! My hands are warm and so they're starting to stick. So you don't have to use milk with this. This can be a completely vegan recipe. You also don't have to use honey. You can use a different sweetener. Date sugar would work really well. And this is going to dissolve in a mug of warm milk. I recommend oat milk, almond milk, coconut milk. So it is very, very liquid, and we might want to have a little bit of sprinkle fun inside. If you want, you could put freeze-dried apples, or freeze-dried pineapple would go really well with this. Little bits of candied ginger. I'm just gonna go ahead and let this close up. You can even use your finger. So it's very liquidy inside, but this is a strong mold. And then we'll decorate it to let people know what's in it. Just a little drizzle. And this will firm up nicely in the refrigerator. Sprinkle. And we'll go ahead and put that in the refrigerator right away so it will set. For the more adventurous crowd, try my cinnamon rose with Damiana and freeze-dried raspberries to get the inner fires burning. So here's to your health, and during the holiday season when you may be stressed, it's a really good idea to make a fun beverage, a fun project with the kids, and also take time to make something really healing for yourself. Choose some healing herbs. I have a bunch of different recipes you can check out below, and experiment and enjoy. Take time to sit down and have a cup of hot golden milk and enjoy the pleasure of the moments.